Welcome to my channel Finance Sikho India. What if I told you that your relationship with money has less to do with numbers, and more to do with how your brain is wired? We all earn, spend, save, some do it well, most do it instinctively. But the truth is, rational thinking around money is rare, and that's what keeps most people broke or stressed. In this video, let's explore the psychology, strategy, and science behind personal finance done right. Part 1: Why we struggle with money. Most schools teach trigonometry, but never explain what a budget is. We're told to work hard, earn well, but never how to spend wisely or save consistently. Behavioral economists call it present bias. We value 1,000 rupees today far more than 1,500 rupees a month later, even though the latter is objectively better. We buy gadgets for instant dopamine but skip health insurance because the reward is invisible, until it's too late. This is not stupidity, it's how humans evolved, but it's time we learn to outsmart ourselves, with simple systems. Part 2: Save first, not spend first. Here's the #1 rule of personal finance: pay yourself first. Before you pay for Netflix, Zomato, or EMIs, put a fixed % of your income aside. Example, let's say you earn 50,000 rupees per month. Saving just 20% equals 10,000 rupees. In 1 year equals 1.2 lakh rupees, in 10 years, with modest returns, equals over 18 lakh rupees. But if you wait to save, what's left over? Often there's nothing left. Automate this. Use apps or your bank to auto-deduct into a SIP or recurring deposit the day your salary arrives. It's not just math, it's mindset. Part 3: Spend on value, not impulse. Spending isn't bad, but impulsive, unconscious spending is what ruins long-term wealth. Ask yourself, is this a need or a want? Will this add joy, meaning, or just clutter? If I wait 48 hours, will I still want this? Studies show that people who delay gratification, even by 24 hours, spend 30% less without reducing happiness. Spend on health, learning, experiences with loved ones. Cut down on brand addiction, lifestyle creep, subscriptions you forgot exist. You don't need to be frugal, just intentional. Part 4: Rethink rich. Being rich isn't about how much you earn. It's about how long you can sustain your lifestyle without working. That's called financial freedom. Two people. Person A earns rupee 2L per month, spends 1 rupee 0.9L. Person B earns 50,000 rupees per month, spends 25,000 rupees. Person B is wealthier in the long run. You don't win by earning more. You win by keeping more and investing wisely. Start early. Time is the real compounding asset. Part 5: Build systems, not willpower. People say, I'll try to save from next month. That rarely works. Willpower is limited. Systems are sustainable. Set up auto SIPs, mutual funds, 3 bank accounts, income, essentials, savings. Budget rule: 50-30-20, needs wants savings. Use tools like Excel or Google Sheets, apps like Walnut, MoneyFee, or Grow, calendar reminders for bill tracking. Design a system that works even when you're tired, lazy, or emotional. Money is not just a tool, it's a reflection of how well we understand ourselves. If you want peace of mind, not just riches, learn to save early, spend mindfully, and think rationally. This is Finance Sikho India, and this was Personal Finance, Big Think Style. Like, comment, and subscribe if this helped shift your perspective. Let's make money a source of strength, not stress. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice.